Hello everyone, welcome to the Akash tutorials. Dear friends, today we will learn about the string functions. See, whenever you study any programming language or any database, they always have built-in functions, built-in libraries. So today we will study about the string functions that we can use in MySQL. These are built-in functions. Built-in functions are those functions which are already defined by MySQL. Let us start with the practice. So my first function that I'm going to teach you is char. So if you write down select char, and if I write down 65, let's see what answer it gives. So the answer will be A. Now why A has come? Because if you know, there is something called as ASCII codes. The ASCII code is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Every key on the keyboard has given some or assigned some coding system. There is one coding system called as ASCII code. So capital A has the ASCII code 65, and if I write down 66, it will give you answer B. And in case if you go for 97, it will give you small a. So you can give more than one parameter also. So you will get result ABC. So the code that you write down, the ASCII code that you will write down, it will give you the equivalent character which is assigned to that code. These are fixed. So char returns you, the char function returns you the character whose ASCII code is written in the parenthesis. Hope you understand. Second is left function. Suppose you want to extract few characters from the left or from the beginning, so you can use the left function. So if I write down here Akash tutorials, and I want to extract first 5 characters, let's see what answer comes. So it will extract first 5 characters from the string. It accepts 2 arguments. Arguments are basically those when you write down the function name, and in the parentheses what are the values you write down, those are called as arguments. So it accepts 2 arguments. So if you write down, you can see it will extract A, K, A, S, H, the very first 5 characters. If you want to extract 7 characters, so see now, A, K, A, S, H, space, that is also, yes, space is also considered as a character, and then T. So how many characters you want to extract, you can write down that many characters. If you write down 0, so it will give you empty string. Then there is one more function called as write. Write, just do the opposite. It will extract the characters from the right side of the string. So if I write down 5, so it will return you a string of 5 characters which are the last 5 characters. Then we have something called as lower and upper function. Suppose I write down select lower, and I write down Akash in capital. So it will return you answer in lowercase. This you can use to convert a string if it is in uppercase into lowercase. And if something is written in lowercase and you want to convert it into uppercase, so we have a function upper. So here you can write down the string now in lowercase. It will return you the string into uppercase. Now it is not necessary you have to give the string, you can give a column name also. We have one table select start from employee. So let us apply this function on the column. I want to see the employee names in capital. So select upper, and e name I will write down as a parameter because it's a column, so I will not write down it in single quotes. Now because it's a column, I have to write on the from clause also, from employee. So now you can see here I have got all the values in uppercase. The next function is length. If I want to see the length of some string, so select length is the function, and I can write down any string. So just hold on, KSH. Now it will return me the 5. So 5 is the length of the string Akash. So now I can see, let's say I can write down the length here also. So let us see the name of the column, e name, the name of the employees, and the length of every employee. Now you can see here I have got the name of the employee along with the total number of characters of its name, the length of the name of every employee. Here you can apply the condition also. Suppose where length of e name is greater than 5, so it will only show you those names whose length is more than 5 characters. Sorry, there's some problem. E name just okay. So where there's a different, sorry. So now you can see here it has shown you only 2 records. Next we have the trim function. Suppose select trim. Let me give an example. Suppose you have a string and there is space, there are few spaces, and I want to remove these spaces. So trim will remove the spaces which are on the left side. So you can see here the spaces which were on the left side of the word or in the string, those have been removed. It will not remove the spaces which is between the word. Akash, let's say Tanvi. So it will not remove the space which is within the word, but it will finish or remove these spaces which comes in the beginning. If you want to remove the spaces which are at the end, so you can use trim function. So now you can see here the spaces which were at the back were removed. You cannot see because let me give you the name as name. Let us see, give the name a short name to the column. Now you can see here the spaces which were at the end, they all are removed. If you want to remove both the spaces, so simply you write down trim. So this is how you can remove the spaces. And this is one more important function, that is mod. Sorry, mid. Select mid. Mid basically, if you want to extract a string from particular characters, let's have written A, B, C, D, E, F, and I want to start from 2 and 3 characters I want to extract. Now first is the string from where you want to extract the characters. Second is basically start from the second character, and third parameter is basically the number of characters that you want to extract. So ABCDF is the string, to start from the second character and extract next 3 characters. So BCD will be the answer. So now once again let me change the parameters. Let us start from 4 and I write down here 2. So it means start from the 4th character, it means D, and extract 2. D and E will be the answer. I can also give this in the reverse. This can be the negative parameter also. -3 means start from the negative, from the last. From the last it will start from D. So from the last, D is the third last character, and extract 2. So D will come. So these are the